Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. This gun's been out for a little bit. I just got my hands on it and I'm pretty excited about bringing you. This is a great budget 9mm pistol. So if you're not familiar, this is the PSA Palmetto State Armory Dagger 9mm. They've been talking about this gun for a long time and they released it and it's been a huge hit. I shot it, it's a huge hit. This one did come with a suppressor ready barrel, which we shot with a suppressor. The blowback is not fun. That was the one thing I was like, you just eat the blowback gas. But it handled my rugged suppressor that stuck out like a mile long really well. It does have serrations here on the slide to help with the press check. If you press check, it's got serrations on the back to help you with your slide release and things like that. It does have some cuts on the side too here that make it really nice as well. It did come optics ready, so we put a vortex optic on it. The sights are suppressor ready sights, so it does co-witness with our red dot. I do wish this one had a better front sight on it because it's black on black. I do wish it had like a tritium or something bright on that front sight to pick up that front sight a little bit easier if I needed it, but that's the only thing I'm like, ugh, I really don't like. The trigger is good. It's okay. Like, it's not like a perfect trigger, but it's not bad. It's a good trigger. It's got a good solid squeeze to it. You take it up, it's got a crisp break, a nice easy reset, so I'm happy there. The grip is a little bit different than your normal Glock. It has good texturing there. It feels good in my hand. I'm happy with it. The reason why I would recommend this as a budget Glock is because it's a Glock. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, so it comes with a Magpul magazine here. So this is compatible with Glocks. Boom. So the gun is empty. We'll just double check it again. So there, run it, no problem whatsoever. All your parts are interchangeable. So if you want to run a Glock trigger in here, you can switch it out and boom, good to go. I do think I'm on a run with OD green and black combo here. So this is my Glock 19 that I run a lot. Trijicon with a Streamlight here. This is a great gun. This is fun. I shoot it really well. When I picked this one up, I shot it really well. So I was excited about it. This one is a little bit more than $300. So we'll take a little bit closer look at the Dagger here. It is empty, no magazine, so we're all clear. It does have the threaded barrel. Like I said, I liked it. We put my rugged suppressor. We didn't even take the rugged suppressor down to a pistol length. We just kept it rifle length and it handled well. The gas blowback was pretty rough, being honest with you, but that's kind of expected with a pistol with suppressor. So the slide here is nice. It has serrations cut here and just kind of narrowed down here, so it's not super blocky. It does have a cutout here to kind of make it a little bit lighter here on the slide. It did come optics ready, and we put the vortex optic on here. If you can see the red dot. Oh, there we go. So single dot, I like that style. I've shot a couple of other optics with just a single dot. I like it. Black on black, not a huge fan of that. Okay, I do wish that this had some bright color to it. It is suppressor ready height, so we can co-witness there. Coming down here, we do have an accessory rail, so we can put a light on here. We are planning on that. Nice cutout for the trigger guard, and like I said before, the trigger itself is not bad. Take up there, brakes, reset. And it's got an audible click for the reset. Mag release here is not ambidextrous, just in case you're wondering, but I'm right-handed, so I'm okay with that. Slide lock is minimal, doesn't protrude. Texture here is nice. Like, I like the texture. It's not super aggressive, but it has a nice feel on it. Nice beaver tail that comes up for my hand. Comes with a Magpul mag. Has a little cutout here, so if the mag doesn't fall free, you can just rake it out. And then just get a little bit of comparison here. Here's my Glock 19 that I love. I've been running it a lot. So, like I said, I think I have something going with OD green and black currently. So you can see looks pretty doggone similar there. Maybe just a little bit narrow right here on the Dagger. If you're on a budget or you just want an extra gun to have around, I think the PSA Dagger is worth taking a look at. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.